Hey there, so this is Wisconsin Shoe Guy. I had a really good wear on this pair of field boots today, but I had a little bit of stress going on and I beat the heck out of my heel. Now these are new. I haven't done a good wear on them yet, although I've had them since March. So this is going to be, today I am going to try to clean that up and make it as difficult to see as possible. I'm not going to do any sanding. I'm not going to do anything I would take it to a cobbler for, because they're boots, and even though they're dress boots, I'm going to try to wear them like boots, because I think that boots wear pretty nice, and these are good, sturdy boots from TLB, and I want to see how they do. So first thing I'm going to do is use my navy blue cream polish. I did a Saphir Renovateur already, so that's the color. All right, so I'm gonna do this over the whole shoe, but I'm gonna spend special time on the parts that scratched off, just to make sure that I'm coloring in those specific spots. Now, there's a bunch of scratches here. This is not shell cordovan. I can't use a deer bone for the scratches. The only way to really take care of them, if this doesn't work, is going to be to sand them down, which I don't really want to do. So if I can make it look like regular wear, then I think it's going to look a lot better long term. And we'll go from there. Now this is a dark color, and of course these are suede, so I do not want to get the suede with the dark colored polish. So I'm going to be a little bit careful as I apply this on. When I first started polishing shoes, I was doing this with a Dauber brush, but I've long since realized it's much easier, much more reliable to just use my fingers. Now, I can get into the broguing if I want, but as I said, these are new, so I'm not really gonna spend too much time on that. What I am doing now is really rubbing it in. This is the first application of cream polish, and the rubbing, which gets your hands dirty, is really important. And of course I've got these scratches here as well, which I'm rubbing it on to make sure that it colors it. So again, I'm gonna go over that area pretty good, just to make sure that I get it. Now, going over the toe. Now some guys just like using the cream polish, then brush the shoes up and go. But I'm gonna put a layer of navy wax on as well, which I'll be able to show. Now, that's the shoe. Kind of see I left it pretty heavy on there. And now, if you want, you can take it off with a cloth. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let it dry until I do the other one, and then I will polish it up. Now, I'm going to change the cover on this so that you can see what they look like after the fact. So I'll do it before and after, and you tell me whether you think it worked. Now, I'm keeping it short because folks don't watch most of my video, so I figured I'd just cut it there where most people cut off. If you'd like to see more next time, let me know.